Hey there, I'm Laura, owner of Fierce Productions. I have a velvet napkin here from BBJ Linen, one of my favorite companies. One of my favorite ways to style a napkin for your tabletop is a pocket fold. And what do you do with a pocket fold? You put a menu into it. So you're always gonna start with the napkin face up. So in this case, I'm working with velvet. So the velvet is face up. You fold it in half, and then you take a third of it and you fold that. You flip it over, and then you fold it from right to left once. See, already got a fold, but it's a big old fold. And then you flip it one more time. And look at this. You've got a gorgeous pocket fold. You take your menu, and you can slide it right in there, and it looks super, super cute. Now, if you're working with a bigger menu, you certainly can make the pocket fold a little bit bigger by stretching out the napkin if you need to. But I like a nice thin one so it looks nice and neat and clean. Thanks for watching.